So guys, I have another Toyota Yaris key, completely snapped. So we've ordered in a Toy 41 key from our supplier. I've already pre-cut it, so this is the new case I'll be changing it over to. Pretty simple. What I'm going to do is undo the casing, screws to one side. It's either a clip-off method. It's usually a clip right here that clips onto the back. This one's completely broken, as you can see. A lot of the customers tend to glue it on, so this one's glued on. You can't really see by camera, but it's just, as you can see, it's just chipping away. So what I'm going to get is a flathead and just try it. Make it fall apart. There we go. There we go. Pretty simple. Sometimes because of the glue it gets stuck in. So what I tend to do is, if I zoom in, is press down on the buttons gently. You don't want to break it. There we go. And that just, the interior just comes away. This is what the interior should look like. If you wanted to change the batteries there. Also, while it's here, you can also check the battery or change the battery if you want. One side comes apart, you can just pull it out, and there you have the battery. Just unclip it there, but we don't need to change the battery on this one. What you need to do is place it in the new case. As before, it clips on there. Might be able to see that. Clips on the top. It's got a screw right here. So make sure you tighten that. There you have it. The new key. It's the old broken bits. Always keep your old blade. You never know when you need to get a new key cut. And thanks for watching, guys.